both have these are not done. There you go. Okay guys, sniper ops. There's army, there's missions. Let's go back to missions, obviously. Campaign, let's continue with our campaign. Okay. Start the mission. Oh, I can't, I have to upgrade my weapon. So wait, no. I haven't shown you. Okay, I'll do this mission first. Start this mission. Okay. Blue Mamba. Members of the Blue Mamba clan have killed the governor. And now they're hiding in the tower to kill their bodyguards. It's pretty interesting. Okay, we're in a helicopter now. That seems like a good start. Is that those are the two members? Okay, I need to be careful not to do collateral. Nope, I missed. Oh my gosh! Come on, please. Come on, please. Headshot. There we go. Oh, 4 people now. Actually, not 2. I'm not supposed to kill those people, right? Oh yeah, they're the bodyguards. Okay. Why do the bodyguards not have any sort of weapons or something? They're pretty fat. Headshot. Last guy, quick scope only. Bang. Okay, that hit the leg. But, pretty sure I didn't even scope. Last mission of the day. Alright, campaign. Okay, this mission looks like it's gonna be hard. The Blue Mamba boss is letting his guard down and goes for a walk. Make sure it's his last. Let's go. You're pretty fat. Were you even there? Go for a walk. There he is. Alright, good shot. Bang. There we go. Yes, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe and feel free to share. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.